Pure Kanjipuram premium silk saree, a bridal collection in a very exclusive design. Here we have an exclusive combination of color too. A beautiful saree in a light peach and pink mixed shade. It's a light of onion peel color, very elegant color with both silver and copper zari in the butta work. Mostly silver with meena work. You can see blue threads are also given for the meena work, distinguished between the buttas, and we also have copper zari woven design here and there, like butta is being woven. Very excellent design with the blue border. The top border is a 4-inch jacquard weaving border using golden zari, and the lower border is a 12-inch border, big border, rich collection it is. Very elegant combination, a rare collection. Grab yours fast, very fast moving collection too. With the pallu that is also in deep navy blue color, mild pinch of violet in the shade, and we have same color blouse piece. Beautiful one. The blouse piece also have the big borders which you can use for the sleeves of the blouse piece. Very elegant one. Excellent combination and comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram silk saree. A very beautiful bridal collection. Heavy premium Kanjipuram silk. Here we have a copper zari as base with silver combination. Very elegant golden color in copper mix saree with beautiful all self weaving. You can see the finish of the saree, finely hand woven, beautiful all self weaving. And here we have a very different pattern. Baby pink color is the border design, and border have beautiful silver zari weaving. Saree in copper and the borders are in silver, really elegant. The top border is 4 inches and the bottom border is 10 inches. The same way the light baby pink and the silver zari is combinedly given in the pallu. The pallu have very elegant work, beautiful weaving, rich pallu with same color blouse piece. The blouse piece is an embossed pattern, beautiful zari and thread mixed weaving pattern, and we have the borders in the blouse piece. The borders can be used for the sleeves of the blouse piece. Excellent collection, beautiful one for the Indian brides, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram silk saree, bridal collection with zari warp. Here the copper zari is a beautiful warp here. You can see the copper glow on the saree. Along with that, green is combined. All over we have a leaf and floral mixed pattern which is done using orange, green and silver zari as well as copper zari. A beautiful weaving, completely hand woven saree with the orange color borders. The orange borders are done with silver zari here, jacquard weaving, 4-inch border at the top and bottom we have 8-inch border. It is a jacquard weaving, pure Kanjipuram border. The saree's pallu is also on the orange base. Very elegant pallu, fully woven, very rich and beautiful collection. Completely hand woven with zari as well as thread mixed one. It is orange blouse also. Zari and orange thread is mixed here. The borders are given in the blouse piece which we can use for the sleeves of the blouse piece. You can see the warp of the saree itself is copper zari. Excellent one, a perfect bridal saree for the trending brides, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram silk saree, a bridal collection, all self weaving with very beautiful copper zari work. An excellent saree with all over copper zari weaving on the base of deep magenta pink color. A violetish pink it is, purple and magenta mixed shade. All over floral and Kanjipuram butta type. Beautiful border also which is done in copper zari. You can see the dazzling copper zari on a violet and blue mixed color border. Beautiful color, heavyweight premium bridal silk saree with a pallu which is also in the bluish purple, the violet and purple mixed color, and we have very elegant same color blouse piece. Both the blouse piece as well as the pallu have borders which is done using copper. The whole pallu is done using a copper zari which is pure copper. Excellent saree. The combination of the saree as well as the work is pretty as well as traditional, which comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram bridal silk saree, a premium, beautiful, trendy zari warp collection. Beautiful and glittery sarees, fully handmade weaving. A gold saree here, very beautiful gold zari base with same golden work. It's a beautiful weaving pattern all over the saree with a blue combination borders. The borders are sky blue color with jacquard weaving. The top border is a 4-inch border, and we have a very beautiful 16-inch big border at the bottom. It's a very beautiful weaving. You can see the work, elegant one with same tissue pallu. The pallu have the tissue and embossed pattern weaving, and we have beautiful golden zari work in the pallu. It is interlock weaving technique with very elegant weaving pattern. And we have same tissue blouse piece. It's an embossed pattern blouse piece. With both sides we have beautiful borders which we can use for the sleeve. We will get a very big sleeve. Beautiful saree, a goldish gorgeous saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft bridal silk saree, a premium silk for the bridals. Wedding season, we have a very elegant combination colors with golden zari warp. The warp itself is here zari, silk purse tested zari, and all over the floral pattern is woven. This is a woven design, not printed. Fully woven, beautiful design with Meena work on the green base. And we have a beautiful border. Top border is a short 2-inch border and bottom is a 12-inch border. The 12-inch border makes it very rich for your grand occasions. And we have a pallu that is a tissue type, golden zari and green mixed pallu with very elegant design all over the pallu, mangoes and traditional peacocks design. And the blouse piece of the saree is also here in tissue woven design with the pallu same border running in the blouse piece also, which can be used for the sleeves of the blouse piece. A very beautiful blouse piece. We will get excellent saree for the bridals, elegant one with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, a bridal variety, beautiful zari warp design. Golden zari is the warp here, silk purse tested golden zari, and we have a very beautiful floral design all over woven using the pink threads. Meena work is also done for finishing the buttas. A very beautiful all silk design, and we have a small 3-inch border at the top in the blue base and 12-inch border at the bottom. Very big Kanjivaram type border, and we have a pallu which is a tissue based pallu. Blue and golden threads is used all over to get a beautiful rich pallu dress. Same way the blouse piece is tissue with blue color base, and we have the borders in the blouse piece also, which will make a beautiful sleeve with a zari border. Excellent saree with beautiful work. Blue base concept itself is very pretty with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram bridal silk saree, zari warp, beautiful glittery saree for your festive occasions and marriage ceremonies. A very beautiful golden zari warp saree here with green base, very elegant all over floral design, beautifully woven using both green as well as the base warp golden color. And we have a small 3-inch border at the top on the base of green and a very big 12-inch border at the bottom. Very beautiful design, and we have a very different tissue pallu. The pallu also have golden zari weaving design, traditional Kanjivaram rich pallu with the borders, and we have blouse piece which is also in the same tissue color. Zari and green colors are given, and we have both side borders which can be used for the sleeves. A very beautiful saree, rich and almost golden with green base, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, a premium silk on the zari warp base. Here we have silver zari warp on it. A peach color is given for the base color of the saree with blue and yellow used for the weaving. Finely woven beautiful saree. You can see the 3D finished flowers on it. Excellent weaving, and the purple color is given for the borders. The border base is dark purple with silver zari weaving again. A jacquard weaving border. Top border is 4 inches and the bottom border is 8 inches. A typical Kanjivaram border. The bottom with silver zari work. And the pallu of the saree here is also in the silver zari base with purple used for the weaving. Finely woven rich pallu, big pallu and rich pallu too. With the blouse piece also having the same zari and purple mixed color, silver and purple mixed color. And the borders are given in the blouse piece also, which you can use for the sleeves of the saree. A very beautiful and trending silk of bridal, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram bridal silk saree. A very beautiful premium Kanjivaram with all over zari and silk weaving. Here we have a golden zari base with blue color combination, whole weaving design. It's a floral plus a leaf body pattern weaving, wigs and florals. Very elegant weaving all over. So all silk design, and we have top bottom border done on the base of blue, beautiful Ananda blue color. Jacquard weaving using golden zari, and it's a 4-inch border at the top and 10-inch border at the bottom. Beautiful Kanjivaram borders they are. And we have same zari and silk mixed pallu. The pallu have very rich weaving with beautiful design, diagonal pattern with the borders running in the pallu as well as in the blouse piece. The blouse piece is an embossed pattern with zari and silk base. And we also have the borders in both sides, which we can use for the sleeves of the blouse piece. Excellent saree with golden and blue base, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, a very beautiful bridal silk with Meena work all over, also weaving. On the base of copper zari, the warp here itself is a copper zari. You can see the copper glow on the saree. Along with that, olive green color is mixed to get a beautiful design. A tree on tree, the bird sitting design is given. The birds are done here using silk thread that is in pink color, which is very contrast to the body color. Really beautiful saree with excellent pallu. And the border of the saree is also in the pallu color, pink. The top border here is 4 inches and the bottom border is 8 inches with beautiful zari woven design, that is a silver zari used for borders along here. And we have a pallu that is in contrast, copper and pink mixed color. All over the pallu we have very elegant weaving, rich pallu with copper zari woven design, and we have plain blouse piece with the both zari as well as pink threads are mixed. Even the blouse piece we have the border which we can use for the sleeves. Beautiful design and excellent saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram bridal silk saree, a very elegant, all self design, the premium Kanjivaram weaving, traditional as well as a beautiful saree for your festive occasions. Here we have a copper zari weaving on deep goldish yellow color, a mango yellow with gold tinge, which is very elegant, and we have the copper zari weaving which is also very beautiful. Buttas as well as all over self weaving. The borders of the saree is done using a violetish blue color. Same color is given for the pallu also. Heavy pallu with copper zari weaving work. A kanji pattu, beautiful saree with border in the pallu coming in. Same way the pallu color blouse piece is given with copper zari borders in both sides. The border is a short border here, 6-inch border in both sides. The combination as well as the saree's design is very perfect for your festive occasions, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram bridal silk saree, a very elegant zari war bridal silk with all over floral design hand woven, and we have Meena work also. Here we have a violet and silver zari mixed woven sarees, very elegant body with pink pallu and blouse piece, and we also have the borders in the pink base, very elegant big borders in the bottom. We have beautiful Kanjivaram border with a tissue woven blouse piece. The blouse piece have the border which can be used for the sleeves, almost an elbow sleeve we can make from this saree. And we have a golden zari weaving work in the pallu, very elegant rich pallu, all over woven, beautiful design with the borders running in the blouse piece as well. Combination as well as the saree is very pretty, different color combo with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, a bridal collection on zari warp. Here the warp of the saree is completely in copper zari. You can see the beautiful copper glow on the saree, and completely the saree is in blue combination, copper combined with blue in the saree, and the borders have blaze blue and fully in silver zari weaving, very elegant one, all self weaving. You can see both copper and silver combinedly used for the Meena work. The whole saree is done the same way, and we have borders which is 10-inch border at the bottom and top 4-inch, both jacquard weaving border, completely handmade, beautiful saree. The pallu of the saree here is also on the copper and blue combination. You can see this is the warp, and combined with the beautiful concept, rich pallu is given with blouse piece combination of zari and blue. The borders are also given in the blouse piece, which is very elegant, completely a ultimate beautiful bridal collection, and it comes with authentic silk mark.